Good morning, students. In the index number, up till now we have studied how to calculate Laspier's, Pasch's and Fisher's index number, right? Now, in exercise 1.3, last sum number 6. Now, let us read this sum. That find the Pasch's and Fisher's index number for the year 2015 with the base year 2014 using the data given below. Now here in this sum we have to calculate only Pasch's and Fisher's. We do not have to calculate Laspier's index number, right? Now see the data. 2014 price, total expenditure. Then 2015 price, total expenditure, A, B, C, D, E items are given. Now this is total expenditure is given, quantity is not given. For the Laspier's, Pasch's and Fisher's, now see, we require quantity, but this is not the quantity, this is whole expenditure is given. We have to convert this into the quantity. टोटल जो एक्सपेंडिचर हुआ है इसको क्वांटिटी में कन्वर्ट करेंगे. तो किस तरह से कन्वर्ट करेंगे? फॉर दैट देयर इज़ अ फॉर्मूला दैट Q0 मीन्स बेस ईयर्स क्वांटिटी इज इक्वल्स टू टोटल एक्सपेंडिचर अपॉन प्राइस पर यूनिट, राइट? प्राइस, total expenditure upon the price per unit of an item. तो see, ये this is total expenditure is given, this is price is given. So 400 upon 100 is equals to 4. This is our price. इतना समझ लो, हम वर्किंग में स्पेसिफाई कर देंगे कि किस तरह से करना है. बट राइट नाउ यू अंडरस्टैंड हाउ टू कन्वर्ट एक्सपेंडिचर इनटू क्वांटिटी. For that there is a formula that total expenditure upon given price, right? Now let us solve this sum. Now see, I have prepared table. First column is for item, second is for this is base year, ये पूरा base year, उसमें price, quantity. Here total expenditure is given, we have to convert that into the quantity, so that there is a formula that Q0 is equals to total expenditure upon price. बेस ईयर का प्राइस P0, इसलिए मैंने P0 लिखा है, राइट? नेक्स्ट कॉलम करंट ईयर, प्राइस, क्वांटिटी. एक्सपेंडिचर में क्वांटिटी को कन्वर्ट करना है, सो टोटल एक्सपेंडिचर अपॉन P1. इतना हो गया. नाउ आई हैव रिटन फार्मूलाज रिमेन सेम, राइट? पास्ट's फार्मूला, फिशर्स फार्मूला. Here we do not have to find out Laspier's formula, so we cannot write down here that IL into IP. So we go for that second formula, Fisher. So I have written that second formula, right? Laspier's here is not given to find out. That's why I have written this second formula, right? तो उसी के हिसाब से मैंने ये कॉलम्स बनाए हैं 4, P1 Q0, P0 Q0, P1 Q1, P0 Q1, right? Now first of all we write down prices. Now let's write down. Now see, prices I have written, quantity given in the sum that is written for base year and current year, right? Now see, formula of quantity is equals to total expenditure upon price. तो ये है 400, 400 इसका प्राइस है 100, 400 upon 100, so comes 4. So now we take 4 in the calculation, right? अभी इसका 500 अपॉन प्राइस, एक्सपेंडिचर अपॉन प्राइस, तो 500 अपॉन 100 कम्स 5, राइट? अभी ये 600 अपॉन 150, तो दैट कम्स 4. देन दिस 1080 टोटल एक्सपेंडिचर अपॉन प्राइस, तो 1080 अपॉन 180, दैट इज इक्वल्स टू 6. And this 1000 upon 250, so this is equals to 4. So now we take these values into our calculation, right? Okay, now this 720 upon 120, so that comes 6. So here also we apply that same formula, total expenditure upon price. Now 600 upon 120, so that comes, sorry, this I have written 60, it is 6 only. 5. Then 180 upon 160, that is 5. 1000 upon 200, that comes 5 only. And 1200 upon 300, that comes 4, right? So now for quantity we take these calculated price into our further working, right? Okay, now see first one, that is P1 Q0. So multiplication of this Q0 is this, multiplication of this and this, right? So P1 Q0 is 120 into 4, that is 480. 120 into 5, that is 600. Then 160 into 4, that is 640. 200 into 6, 1200. And again 1200, right? Okay, इसका total, that is 4120. Here you can write down that sigma P1 Q0 is equals to 4120, right? Okay, इसी हिसाब से P1 Q0 भी फाइंड आउट करेंगे, P1 Q1 भी एंड P0 Q0 भी, राइट? चलो लिख लेते हैं. See, I have calculated all these other three and their total, right? Now purchase index number. Now according to purchase index number we require P1 Q1, P0 Q0. तो ये है P1 Q1 ये एंड P0 Q1, तो ये दोनों चाहिए हमें, राइट? सो लेट्स पुट दिस इनटू द फॉर्मूला, दैट इज 4320 अपॉन 3750 multiply by 100, right? Now this divided by this comes, division of both of this comes 1.152 multiply by 100. So our answer for purchase is equals to 115.2. This is our answer, right? Now Fisher का ले ले. We have all the values. P1 Q0, P1 Q0. So that is 4120. P0 Q0 3580 multiply by P1 Q1 4320 upon 3750 and outside multiply by 100, right? ये इन दोनों का डिवीजन, दैट कम्स 1.1508 इनटू इन दोनों का डिवीजन, दैट कम्स 1.152 into 100. Now multiplication of these two, so square root of 1.3257 multiply by 100. Now is working of further working. Now I write down over here. Now let us remove this square root. ये जो स्क्वायर रूट है, स्क्वायर रूट को हम रिमूव करें. सो इफ़ यू रिमूव दिस स्क्वायर रूट देन अमाउंट कम्स 1.1514 into 100. Now multiply this, so that is our answer. Fisher's index number is equals to 115.14, right? So this is our answer. This is how you can solve index number of Laspere, Paschen, Fishers when total expenditure is given in the sum, right? I will send a photo of this sum. You write down this in notebook and I give homework also, right? Okay, see you tomorrow.